Hello everyone, my name is Anugrah Trizrino. Today I will present about what is adaptation and comic to film adaptation. In this presentation, I will explain the meaning of adaptation, the purpose of adaptation, and also discuss one example of comic adaptation into film. Okay, so what is adaptation? Uh, Adaptation is the process of changing a story of work from one medium into another medium. For example, a novel can become a movie, a comic can become a film, or a game can become a television series. Adaptation helps stories reach new audience in different forms of media. So today adaptation is very common in entertainment industries such as cinema, streaming platform, and television. Purpose of adaptation. First, adaptation helps the creator reach a wider audience. Some people prefer watching movies instead of reading books or comics. Second, adaptation makes stories more visual and interactive. And third, adaptation can modernize old stories for new generations. Lastly, adaptation is also important for entertainment and commercial success in media industries. Types of adaptation. There are many types of adaptation in modern media. For example, novels can be adapted into film, comic can become movies, and games can become television series. Some famous example are Harry Potter from a novel to film, Marvel Comics into superhero movies, and The Last of Us from video game into TV series. These adaptations show how stories can exist in many different forms. What is comic to film adaptation? So in this slide, comic to film adaptation is the process of transforming comic stories into a movies. This adaptation can be live action film or animated films. Usually filmmakers adapt important elements from comics such as characters, storylines, customs, and visual styles. Comic adaptation are very popular today, especially superhero movie from Marvel and DC Comics. Example of adaptation. One of successful example, one of comic to film adaptation is Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. This movie was released in 2018 and is based on Marvel Comics. This movie became popular because it used unique animation styles inspired by comic books. The visual effects, colors, and comic panel technique make the movie feel different from other animated films. So this is the short review or analyze. In my opinion, Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse is a successful adaptation. The movie combines comic aesthetic with cinematic storytelling very well, and then the animation style looks creative and visual impressive. Beside the visual, the movie also has emotional storytelling and relatable mm, characters, especially Miles Morales as the main character. This adaptation respect the original comics while also creating a fresh experience for audience. And then the challenge of adaptation. Adaptation also has several challenges. One challenge is meeting fans' expectation because many audience compare the adaptation with the original work. Another challenge is changing some story elements to fit movie duration and thematic needs. Filmmakers also need large budget for visual effect, costume, and production. Because of this challenge, not every adaptation becomes successful. So, and last, conclusion. In conclusion, adaptation is an important part of modern media and entertainment. Adaptation allows stories to reach wider audience through different forms such as film, television series, and animation. Coming to film, adaptation is one of the most popular adaptation today because it combines visual art and cinematic storytelling. So that's all. Thank you for listening for my presentation. Thank you.